about our high alloy castings and forgings. Okay, this is my partner.
This is Fanny. Welcome to our lecture.
Okay, so as you may know, our full company name is Eternal Bliss Alloy Casting and Forging Company Limited. You know, we are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu province, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai city. So it is very convenient for us to ship all castings and forgings to from Shanghai Port or Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Okay. So so far, our registered capital of EB China is 13.14 million US dollar Chinese yuan, and also we have been the gold supplier of Alibaba International for more than 6 years. Yes. Okay, so now I'd like to show you our certificates of our foundry and forging plants. Okay. Thank you. So, my dear friend, yes, you can see this is our ISO 14001. Yes, quality management system. Yes, this system complies with GBT 19001 2016 requirements. Yes, Fanny, you can come here. Our camera is here, so we can show more clearly. Okay, so this certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings, and our certificate number is 05321Q30055ROS. Also, you can note our certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. Yes. So also this certificate is issued by IAF-CNAS. Okay, so everything is clear here. Okay. Thank you, Fanny. Okay, so I'd like to show you our second certificate. Okay. So this certificate is about its environmental management system. This certificate is showing that our company complies with GBT 24001 2016 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings and sites. Also, you can note our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. Okay, so this is our environmental management system. Okay? Okay, so now let's come to our third certificate. Okay, so this certificate is about occupational health and safety management system certificate. Okay, so this certificate is showing that EB China occupational health and safety management system complies with GBT 45001 2020 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings and sites. Also, you can clearly see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organizations. Also, this certificate is issued by CNAS. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we just now we mentioned that EB China has been the gold supplier of Alibaba International for more than 6 years. So now we will show you our certificate. Yes, so every year TUV will come to our company and our foundry to make the local audit. Yes. Yes, they did the on-site assessment of the following areas. Yes, they audited our company from 8 aspects. First one is a company overview. Second one, current export situation. The third one, quality assurance. The fourth one, certification and photos. The fifth one, human resources. The sixth one, export business capacity. The seventh one is company development and expansion plans. Yes, the eighth one is company and product samples. Yes, you will see this audit was done on September 16th, 2020. The validity is till September 15th, 2021. Okay, so everything is clear shown on this certificate. Okay, and so far, okay. So far, we have EB China, the online sales on Alibaba is more than $3 million so far. Yes. Okay, so since last year we have been the audited supplier of made in China. Yes. So they also appointed SGS to come to our company and our foundry, to do the on-site audit. You will see that. Also, SGS did the audit on June 15th, 2020. Also, you can read clearly the audit report serial number is QIP AS 1204795. Okay? Yes, okay. Thank you. Okay, so my dear friend, EB China has passed the quality management system, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 18001. Yes. Also, EB China not only just a specialized manufacturer of high alloy castings and forgings, but also focus on the research of new materials and new grinding technology. Okay, so now with this opportunity, we'd like to show you our different patents. So far EB China has 22 patents. Okay, so the first one, the patent is about political chromoly alloy castings. Yes, and the heat treatment. It's about a heat treatment process for political chromoly alloy steel. Okay, The next one is about the machining process of heat wear corrosion resistant high chrome alloy. Okay, this patent is about combined commill liners. Yeah, this patent is about wear resistant lifting bars. This one is about a melting system. This patent is about also lifting bars for mining industry. Yeah, this one is about threading working table. This one is about a production process of high quality nickel tubes. This patent is for corrosion resistant bolting washers. Yes, this patent is about heat treatment, a new type heat treatment, heat resistant steel material basket. This patent is about stand flasks for EPC process. This one is for cobalt alloy, yeah, rods for dispenser rings. Okay, this patent is for heat treatment material trays. This patent is for material handling frames. Yeah, this patent is for aluminum casting. This patent is for mining lifter bar castings. Yeah, this one is for caster bands. Also, we have 5 computer software copyright certificates. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. Also, we have the trademarks. This is for our EB boat. Yeah, EB boat, just one. And yeah, the rest we have 5 different trademarks. This is the first one. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Fanny. Okay. So. Today we also will still continue to introduce our new concept of fine crushing and grinding technology in cement and mining industries. Okay. Okay. Actually, our new technology is called boat-based ball mill liners. Okay. So this is, our new technology, lining technology is based on the theory of ball mill system engineering. Yes. Okay. So on this PPT, we will explain the comprehensive application of science and technology in the fine crushing and grinding process, and put forward a new concept of fine crushing and grinding technology in cement and mining industries through the analysis of the working conditions and operation of each working part of the ball mills. Okay. So also, we propose that the ceramic liners and the metal grinding balls will be the best combination in cement ball mill engineering. Also, we introduce a new type of low chrome cast iron grinding balls designed especially for mine wet grinding process. Okay. Okay, so Fanny, could you please try to read the first paragraph for us?
Cement and many
Yes.
industries are the best industries in the national economy. They have the characteristics of South editable, higher wealth and high energy consumption. Therefore, high effect and low consumption are permanent topics in the
Okay. So, looking at the domestic and foreign market, there are great ups and downs and fierce competition. The ultimate foothold of enterprise competition is quality and cost. Therefore, technology upgrades and equipment optimization should be the top priority of current enterprise development. Okay, let's move to the next section. Okay, section 2 is about the new concept for crushing and grinding process. Yes? Okay, Fanny, please read for us.
Fry clothing and grounding rotation is the main next in parental production and our manufacturing which taking accounts for nearly 70% of the annual production, plus the improvement of the fine processing and the grading process is the backbone of the intel to achieve energy saving, power consumption reducing, and the effect of employment.
Okay, let's move to the next page. In the cement plant's small and medium size mine, the application of roller presses has resulted in a faster improvement in the production process. The high efficiency of fine crushing function of the roller press promotes crushing and grinding separation and eliminating the crushing function of ball mills outside service. Okay, so Fanny, try to read the second.
However, after the
Technology
of advancement of roller press, the size of the ball mills and the internal structure of the mills did not make many supporting overall growth increase according to the new working conditions. How to processing the ball mill from the process point of view, promoting the ball mills to adapt to the new material working environment, improving the work
efficiency
of the ball mills and affecting controlling the borrow price has become a new topic.
Okay, great. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, so traditional theories can no longer meet the development requirements of cement and mining technology upgrades. Okay, so Sunny?
So we propose a new concept of fire crushing and grading technology.
Yes. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy castings forgings, especially our mill liners, please follow our shop and give us, send us an inquiry. Yes. Any requirements about your mill liners and any castings and forgings, please send us your requirements to our emails. What's up? Yes, okay, or online message. You are always welcome, okay? Okay, so what's the significance of the new concept process? Okay, first one, Funny.
Yes, tabulation the working state of the ball mills under the new lateral condition.
Okay, secondly is effectively combining it with the ruler press. 2013.
In cutting the output,
Okay, fourthly, reducing energy consumption.
improving pattern shape,
Okay, optimizing particle structure.
striving for the highest strength of
Cement. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, let's do the section 3, starting from the ruler press. Okay.
The ruler press is electrified crushing.
Yes, so what's the fit size?
Generally below 50
Millimeter. Okay, but normally the size of big feed particles is controlled within less than 5% of the ruler diameter. Okay, what's the optical size?
Generally below 6 millimeter. In video of the working principle of the Ricker press, it will produce a large amount of weaker
Materials, micro materials. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, so what's the application of the ruler press? Okay, Funny.
Can't change the replacement of crushing by reading cross of the ball mills.
Okay. Secondly, eliminating the concept of the crushing beam in the cement mills.
Increasing the life of breathing for of the cement mills naturally by about 4 mils in the existing working conditions.
Okay, this greatly improves the efficiency of the crushing and grinding process. For cement plants, small and medium-sized mines, this is a significant process improvement. Okay.
However, the wild application of the ruler press and the change of the new battery working conditions did not cause many changes of the board rails, which are the core equipment of the 5 crushing press. Slow out of the
Domestic.
and the oversized ball mills used in the grinding
Section. Okay, 30 meter long is still 30 meter long.
2 and 3 compartments are still 2 or 3 compartments.
The ball grading is still ball grading.
The stepped lecture is still stepped lecture.
Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay.
The ball mill with the highest energy consumption and the lowest effectiveness is the cement and fuel cruising rates still remain unchanged.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the high efficiency of the roller press, the low efficiency of the ball mills, and the fierce market competition have forced some people to dislike the poor and love the rich. Okay, Funny?
The lower price is used in an attempt to replace the grinding by closing. With a closed cycle, real price center tend to increase the fuel patterns below 18 miracles to 14 patent
50%. Yes.
16% and 17%. There creates no balls with market attentions.
Okay, thank you. Next page. Okay, Fanny, please come here. No, you will notice that. Now, no. You are not on in the screen. No. So you should stand here. Stand here will be better. Yes. Okay. Because you are not standing in the middle.
Oh.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. It's well known that replacement of crushing by grinding is not okay, but replacement of grinding by crushing is not good either. Okay. Yes. Okay, so in the current production process in cement and mining industries, the main equipment is the ball mill, which cannot be discarded. Okay, Fanny?
More importantly, similar to the vertical mills, the changing packet shell of the lower price is irregular and irregular. Shapes is especially in the cement in chest in it comes from a dense texture in the latter productions. Compared with the rotor patterns of the ball mills, the wireless storage capacity of concrete, which is made from concrete, is increased by 6 to 8% product by rose, which is many brick and irregular particles. Water is roller. The includes in water is not only an increase of cost but also reducing of quality. The increasing water storage also means the decrease of concrete flooding, which also the requirements of middle conclusions.
Okay, thanks, Bonnie. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, therefore, in the important concrete projects, cement in flaky or irregular particle forms should not be the first consideration. Okay. Okay, Bonnie?
Even the brick or irregularly packaged shape will affect the yield of concentric power. There are different operations on the gradient of the lower press.
Okay, so what's the difference? The new concept believes that theoretically about 100 to 500 microns is good, and the work of adjusting the particle shape is left to the ball mills. So the particle fineness should be properly left, and the huge power of the ball mills should be available for working.
In a poor working conditions as the mill requirement for cruising and grounding, the ball mills which consume a lot of electric is
Which one? Okay, which consume a lot of electricity. It's 30 meters long. Yes. To increase. Okay.
to increase the
Efficiency
and the
energy.
saving is necessary to give full play to its effective working competing in the 30 meter long grinding
journey. Yes. Okay. Okay, so therefore the discharge particle size of the roller press must be determined according to the working conditions and the maximum working capacity of the ball mills. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the section 4. In this section, we will talk about the ball mills. Okay, what is a ball mill?
A ball mill is a type of grounding machine. Rotating cylinder reading the grounding balls and the metal rings in the ball compartments to roll and slide together. The metal is rolled deformed and becomes filled between the grading balls and the grading balls, between the grading balls and the mill letters.
Okay. So this photo is about cement mill with a diameter of 3.8 meters and 13 meters long. Okay. So this photo is about the ball mill after the semi-automatic mill with 11.2 meters in diameter. So,
the statement lets more energy, more impact is not accountable.
Okay, next page. So, with the application of AG mills and sand mills in large mines and with the wide application of the roller presses in the cement industry and middle and small mines, the requirements for the crushing function of ball mills have been eliminated. Okay?
The grading Three of five ball round and connected ball mills is become more and more
Consistent.
consistent.
Yes.
The working environment and the working flows are becoming more and more consistent.
Okay, so the length of ball mills we are discussing is 8 to 13 meters, which is the most common in the current working conditions of the cement industry and mines.
For comparison with the lower grades under the new mandatory conditions, whether the ball mill is the best choice, water diameter and letters of the ball mill. The ball mill should be selective. The working the role of age mills and SAG mills is changing for clothing fiction. The able topics are not within the scope of our discussion today.
Okay, so let's move to the next page. Okay, so ball mill is a kind of grinding machine with a simple structure, convenient maintenance, stable production and operation, safe and reliable, and suitable for large-scale industrial production.
It's adaptable to various materials and the good technical shape and structure of the film product are incorporated so far.
Okay, so since the birth in 1891 until today, ball mills have been widely used in mining, cement, and coal-fired power plants, chemical engineering, powder, and other industries.
The mill
Diameter
ranges from
0.5 meter.
0.5 meter in the whole includes
12.2 meter.
In modern mills and the mill has ranks from
2.1
mills in the smaller engineering including duct to 14.5 meters low in recruitment industry. The ball mill has created mills in the history of modern industry.
Okay, so unfortunately, few people really understand ball mills. In the fine grinding process, a ball mill is the key to improve the efficiency and reduce the energy consumption. Okay, the ball mill, the ball mill is a low efficiency grinding machine, which effective power is generally about 15%. Okay. But in view of the working principle of the ball mill, it is equipped with a driving motor with a huge power. With the development of industrialized production, the specifications of crushing and grinding equipment becomes larger and larger. Okay?
At present, the common convenient mills are usually 3 0.8 meters to 5 minutes in diameter, and the motor is equipped with 2,800 to 3,500
kW. Yes, in large miles, the diameter of commonly used ball mills is 6 to 8 meters, and the power is 4,000 to 15,600 kW. Okay.
The total power of AJ mills and SAJ mills 12.2 million in diamond nails, which come from the building of the ball mills has reaching the 2008
No, 28.
28,000 kW.
Good. Okay. Okay, so the large size ball mills not only consume huge energy, but also are operating in harsh working conditions, which make higher requirements on wear-resistant materials.
For example, in a semi-automatical mill with a diameter of 67 minutes or more, the stable length of one set of mill lighter 400 thick is often less than 3 moments.
Okay, so my dear friend, if you are interested in our mill liners, well castings, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, to follow our shop on Alibaba, then send us your inquiries. Okay, thank you. Okay, Funny?
Several the ball mill must increasing evacuation and reduce the energy consumption, so the new crowding competitors of ball mill sector should be
Introduced. Okay. Okay, so in fact, the working conditions of ball mills in the cement and mining industries have undergone tremendous changes. The wide application of roller presses, edge mills, and set mills has resulted the fit size of the ball mills to the micro level. The so-called crushing silo has died out in length, and the multi-compartment division of the ball mills is meaningless.
The practice of about 10 meters cement mills prevents a good foundation for the
Efficiency
improvement and power consumption reducing of the ball mills. Under the new working conditions, the first important task is to care for what's the mill job for the ball mill.
Okay, good. Okay, so the new concept believes that the job of the ball mill is to adjust the shape of the material as close to a circle as possible, to adjust the particle structure of the discharged material to the best state as much as possible,
including to make the cement of present the highest quality, to make the or to obtain the highest selection rate.
Okay. So, perhaps one day the ball mill will change its name to shaping machine. Yes. So now let's move to the section 5. Now we'll talk about the internal structure of the ball mills.
Under the new working conclusion to adapter to the new work, the internal structure of the ball mills must be changed.
Okay. So we put forward the new concept of a single compartment mill. The core meaning is consoling the intermediate diaphragm plates. As you may know, the intermediate grade plates will affect the grinding efficiency of the ball mills.
Have the faster will cause the mill maintenance.
Okay. So the basis of the single chamber mill concept is the simplex work of the ball mills. Okay.
The processing center before entering into the mill has completely closing the machinery. The standard sample mills
Unify
unifies the work of the ball mills. It makes the materials in the mills to run more sharper and smoothly. It makes the quality of the melters in the mills more consistent.
Okay. So please note that single compartment mill is by no means as simple as removing the intermediate diaphragm grade plate.
More than 20 years ago, we put forward the ball mill center engineering the working
Procedure.
procedure of the ball mills is a comprehensive statistical center engineering.
Okay, so the length of 30 meters in the ball mill is a long journey for the grinding material. Based on the operation of the material in the single chamber mills, the maximum diameter of the material and the particle structure of the material are different from the feeding end to the discharging end.
Each grinding
grinding section. Yes.
Of the ball mills have different requirements for the reading protectory and attachment of the material and the reading medium. Therefore, it must not remain unchanged.
Okay, let's move to the next page.
The mill layouts in the same camel mills are often designed to consist of 5 or 6 tables.
Okay. So, in the industrial test of a cement mill with a diameter of 3.8 and 30 meters long, the single chamber mill installed with combined self-fixing beltless sliders has been successfully operated for 7 years. Okay.
Compared with the traditional mills, the output has improved by 20% and the port consumption is only about 25 kWh. More importantly, the size level of more resistant materials have been improved by more than 50%.
Okay, good. Okay, so in the cement mill with a diameter of 4.2 and 13.5 meters long. The output per hour is as high as 290 tons, grade 42.5 cement. The electricity consumption per ton is about 24 kWh. So let's go to the section 6. Now we'll talk about the gradation of the grinding boards. Okay.
In the lower grades contain the grinding process, the crushing function of the ball mill is no longer needed. The new compactor below that graduation is a procedure zero rate. The so-called gradation lacks solid zero technical basis and effective technical proof. In the long-term operation of the ball mills, the rotation is impossible to achieve. The longer the ball grinding difficult, the more technical is in longer running time.
Okay, so the new concept believes that only a uniform bore diameter has the greatest grinding ability because a uniform bore diameter has the largest contact area with the material.
The longer the difference of the grinding for the alignment mill, the more the growth, then the smaller the contact area between the boards and the material. The rose the grinding area will be.
So, in our all-cement mill industrial experiments, uniform diameter bores are adopted. Regardless of particle shape, particle structure, the cement output, and the power consumption, good results have been achieved.
The choice of laying layers and grinding ball materials. The new concept below that the best well-resistant materials must be electric, and both the layer and the grinding ball should maintain the best design software for a long time in the field operation.
Okay, so excellent wear-resistant materials are the technological basis for improving efficiency and energy saving. Excellent wear-resistant materials not only extend the life of working parts, reduce maintenance, and increase operating rates.
More importantly, is well-resistant materials can maintain the design shape of working patterns for a long time. The shape supports the ball mill to achieve the best operating effect and products the highest quality products with the lowest power consumption.
Okay, so both the liners and the grinding boards should choose the best wear-resistant materials, which can achieve the most cost-effective operating level.
there is no spatial relationship between the male liners and the grading boards, as there are raw materials lying between them.
Okay, so taking the dry grinding process represented by the cement industry as an example, the preferred material for lime grinding boards is undoubtedly high chrome cast iron. However, how shall we choose among the various high chromium cast iron materials in the current market? We recommend three principles for choosing high chromium cast iron grinding boards. Okay, funny. First one.
Common temperature should be above 3%.
Chromium content
should be above 50%. The highest hardness is more than HRC 60.
Okay, good. Okay, let's move to the next page. So, the new concept believes that only the highest quality very resistant materials can create the highest performance cost ratio, complete the heavy task of increasing efficiency and reducing consumption in process design, and meet the requirements of large-scale industrial production for grinding equipment.
We do not appointment of the
Current popular Chrome 8,
Chrome 8, Chrome 10, Chrome 11 grinding board letters on the market. The design content of this material is not limited to the line to the market. There is no scientific rationality. Please remember, the high chromium cost invented by the Romans in 1946 is the Pharaoh 15
Molly 3, yes.
Mori 3.
Okay, good. Okay. So, the very resistant sleeves we developed for Sanyi heavy industry, 3.7% carbon, 26% chromium, 1.8% moly, 1.2% nickel, 0.6% copper in the comparative test conducted by Sanyi heavy industry. The very resistant of the very resistant sleeves we produced was increased by 37% in comparison of the world famous German elephant, which helped Sanyi heavy industry to occupy the international market share.
Simply because the multi-composition design not only helps to protect batteries and counter-promote productions, but also solely limited human resources all countries in equal one resource these are very poor and ocean with about 7% contact is used for cruising, gliding, and
gamification.
We must save every kilogram of ocean.
So for the material selection of grinding boards in mine weight grinding process, we strongly recommend the new low chrome cast iron grinding boards, aiming at the energy saving and the consumption reduction of mines. We have developed a new type of low chromium cast iron grinding boards and successfully increased the hardness of low chromium cast iron grinding boards to about HRC 55. The impact value is more than 10 G.
The combination of high quality grading boards and ceramic letters can effectively reduce ceramic mineral pollution. The pollution of highest level soil to the environment is outside and below of tons of sediment and various sludges pollute the environment everywhere. The consequences are not serious.
Okay, so in the new concept of bore system engineering, whether it is cement or mines, whether it is dry or wet grinding process, we do not hesitate to recommend ceramic liners. Okay, so this photo is for our ceramic mill liners in application.
So far, ceramic. Ceramic bore mill now has received several farming. All attempt in a
3.8 and 13 meters. Yes.
Conventional mill for 16 mills, even though the ceramic letters are mixed with high soil mill cost. L letter it is safe, relatable, and intelligible under the premise that the operating environment is not conducive to the ceramic letter.
So in theory, the wear resistance of the ceramic liner is more than 3 times that of chromium 15 chrome cast iron liners, while the weight is only 0.46 times that of cast iron. The application of ceramic liner will save a lot of steel, protect human limited resources, greatly reduce maintenance, stabilize production, reduce labor intensity of workers, and increase production. Okay.
The correct letters can prevent itself excessive slow mill caused by the mill of the liner. When the symmetrical letters are used in casual occasion with high appeal, highest grinding force is channel effective reduce the environmental pollution of environmental corrosion.
Okay, so the bone mill has entered the era of ceramic liners.
We firmly believe that in the bone mill center in engineering, the combination of ceramical letter and metal flow will practical to connect milling and other industries worldwide.
Okay, so the ceramic liner will make a brilliant contribution to the 2025 China manufacturing. Okay.
In conclusion, the new concept of clothing and clothing improves the output of the bone mill by more than 20%, save about 20% of electric and expenses level of resistance material by more than 15%.
Okay, so number 2, under the new working conditions, the work tasks of the existing bone mills have undergone a fundamental change. It is necessary to fully study the bone mills and use comprehensive technology to improve the effective power of the bone mills. Okay.
The bone grading salary in bone mills is also no protection section. Only the bone with unfair form for fulfillment have the greatest grade attainable.
Okay, number 4, the single chamber mill composed of a variety of liners with different surface shapes can greatly increase the output of the mill and greatly reduce the power consumption.
Yes, the second materials are the best of the new concept of clothing and clothing
Okay, number 6, in the bone mill system engineering theory, ceramic liners and metal boards will be the best combination, and it can effectively reduce hexavalent chromium pollution. Okay, thank you. Let's move to the first one. Yes, that's the one there. Okay, please, take a photo for us. Okay, so that's all for our first live show is about. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay, this is your first live show. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, so just take a photo separately for Benny. Yes. Okay, thank you. So let's welcome to the next live show. Next live show is for the Shelley. Yes. Okay, welcome Shelley to make the second live show. Okay, so just now we finished the live show about both these mill liners, and yes, and now, so we will start another live show. Okay. Okay, so we just waiting here. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings products, please do not hesitate to contact us. Firstly, to follow our shop on Alibaba, then send us your inquiries about your drawings, material grade, and quantity to us. You are always welcome. Okay? So today, Shelley will make a live show about cobalt alloy and dental alloy. Okay, welcome, Shelley.
Hello everyone, this is Shan from EB China. Welcome to our lab show today about cobalt alloy and dental alloy. You can see the catalog. Two parts. One is cobalt alloy, the other is dental alloy. One part, cobalt alloy, I will introduce their 9 balls and 6. The first one, the material of stenite. Stenite is a hard alloy that can withstand various types of wear and corrosion in the high temperature of stitching, commonly known as cobalt chromium tungsten or cobalt-based alloy. Stenite is based on cobalt as the main component. Contains a considerable amount of liquid chromium and tungsten. You can see this table is chemical composition for stenite, such as stenite 3, stenite 4, 6, 5, and 20. You can see the stenite 3. The chemical composition for carbide is 2.0 to 2.7%. For manganese is less than 1%. For silicon is less than 1%. For chromium is 29 to 33%. For nickel is less than 3%. For tungsten is 11 to 14%. And the cobalt is balanced. Stenite 4. For carbide is 0.8 to 1.2%. For manganese is less than 1%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For nickel is less than 3%. For tungsten is 5.5 to 15.5%. And the cobalt is balanced. Stenite 6. For carbide is 0.9 to 1.4%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 27 to 31%. For nickel is less than 1.5%.